Walk up the ladder and hook your feet into the top rung. So you move your hips forward so your sit bones are on line with the little rivets on the side of the barrel. Place the hands in the middle of the stomach to a C curve, drop the head. The feet are holding to keep you from falling backwards. So take in a breath and go back only halfway back. Then exhale, bring the shoulders over the hips. Take a breath in to go back. And exhale up. Now, if you want to go all the way back, you go back on your inhale. Your hands transfer to the sides of the barrel. You exhale, you hang back. You bring the head back up, look at the belly, put your hands on the stomach and roll up. Let's try that one more time. Inhale to come back. Transfer the hands. Exhale, extend all the way through the neck. Bring the head back up, put the hands on the stomach and roll all the way up. Sometimes a person has a little bit of a weakness in the neck, so you want to support it like you're doing the neck pull. So now inhale, just go back. And now support the neck to come up. Inhale and exhale. We're just going to do one more here. Inhale and exhale when she comes up. Now when you go side to side, one elbow goes down, one goes up toward the ceiling. Then you come back and you lift and you go elbow down, elbow up. And one more and lift, elbow down, elbow up. And last time. And good. On the twist, you turn so the elbows stay wide and you stretch out. Then you come up and the elbows are still wide. Just one more. Back and then up. Now take a stretch forward. We'll take the bar up for the flat back going back. So you inhale, you go back. You exhale, lengthen up. Now I'm supporting her on her back so she doesn't go back too far. Inhale. And then we exhale, lift to the sky. Two more, inhale and exhale. And one more time, lengthen and then go back. Now I'm gonna go behind her for side to side. So I'm gonna support her back. So she's gonna lift and go side and I'm supporting her body. And then up, now lift. I'm gonna support the hips or the ribs. And just two more and over. And one more time and lift over. Now, this person might be later into the intermediate level. So we can lift a twist in here so we can turn, stretch the body out, and then come back. Lift and turn and stretch and go back and come back up. Good, two more. And twist and reach. And one more time. And we twist and we reach and stop, come down. So the twist and reach is only done in the intermediate level. Okay, now we're going to do tree. Move forward. So now take the right leg and support it. Press up 3 times by stretching the leg 1, and we stretch 2, and we hold 3. Now walk the hands one over the other up. Bring the head in and have a stretch. Lean the stretch back. Now walk down the leg. I'm going to support her back here. And then she's going to go up and she's going to get a nice little stretch. Now lean over, lean back, hold, walk down, walk up and stretch. Lean over. Lean back, stop, walk down, and walk up. And now just lift the spine and put that leg down. Let's do the other side. Then we'll come back later to the other side again. We press 3, we press 2, and we press 1. Walk up the back. First get your stretch, then lean the stretch back. The leg stays straight up and you walk down. Halfway only. And then walk up. Get a stretch. Lean it back. Leave the leg, walk down. And come up. And have the stretch. Lean it back. Walk down, leave the leg. And then come up. And then have a stretch. Now, when you're going to do intermediate, you might be at a place where the person could go all the way down. So let's go back to the right leg. Let's stretch it up 3 times. 1 and 2, and hold the third one. Walk up the back. First get your stretch like before. Now bring it up. Now walk down the leg and transfer your hands to the side of the barrel. Now go all the way back and have a stretch. Bring the head, neck, and shoulders back up. Grab the back of the leg. Walk, walk, walk up the leg and hold. Do it one more time. Walk down. Transfer the hands. Open the chest. Relax the neck. Bring the head, neck, and shoulders up. Grab the leg and walk, 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 and stretch. Let's do the other side. This is only done at intermediate, high intermediate level. Press 1 and 2 and 3. Walk up the back. Now have your stretch. Come back. The leg stays. You walk down. Transfer the hands. Open the chest. Relax. Bring the head up. Look at your leg and walk, 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 walk up. And only one more. Lean it back. Stretch it up. Hands on the side. Relax, relax. Bring the head up. Bring yourself forward. Walk, walk. Rock a little forward. Drop the shoulders and sit up tall. And that's enough.